blog website for free using the sign up now feature here on the site, or you can obtain downloads of WordPress through WordPress.org, this website, to install the software yourself on your own hosting and maintain your blog in that way, blog or website. Okay, going back to WordPress.com, you can see how quickly and easily you can set up a blog website. Create a username, password, give them the email address that you want to use for administrative purposes. Click this box here. You're supposed to read this terms of service, and you can just create a username for use on the site, or if you keep this radio button selected, you will get a blog that looks like username.wordpress.com. You click next and you're basically done in business. Very nice. I'm going to log in here and go into my own dashboard, where we're going to look at the Business Blogging 101 website blog. So here I've logged in to WordPress.com, and now I can go to my dashboard. So this is a website blog that I've created on WordPress.com. The address is mcbuzz.wordpress.com. Just like that. Very cool. Okay, going back, I'm going to look at the dashboard. So when you're using WordPress, you know, this is what I recommend. First of all, if you're using a Macintosh, you have to use Firefox in order to be able to see all the editing features in the dashboard. So if you're using Safari, go and get a copy of Firefox and install that and use that instead. On a PC, you're free to use whatever you want. Okay, so this is a layout that I've selected, one of the many layouts that is available to somebody who wants to set up a WordPress website or blog. And this is the dashboard where I've logged in to my site. So this is what somebody sees when he or she goes to mcbuzz.wordpress.com, and this is the dashboard where I can administer changes and create new pages and so on. So you can see here, for example, that I have an About page. If I click on About, we're taken to that page. We see that I've got some content here, and it's possible to comment on this page as well. Okay, if we go to the dashboard and go to Manage, Pages, you'll see the About page here listed in this table, and you can click on either Delete if you wanted to remove that page, or View, which is just going to show you what we have in this window, or Edit. So incidentally, I'm using Firefox, and you have tabbed browsing here, which is convenient since you will want to go back and forth and look at what you've done on your site, make sure that everything looks as you want it, and you can keep the admin or dashboard window open with another tab. Okay, so if I click on Edit the About page, here's what I see. Here's the title of the page. Here is the text that appears on that page, so you can see all this. And if we go back out here, here's the same text, right? This is formatted as it appears to somebody who comes to the site with a web browser, and this is the administrative interface where you can add text like so. Add new text like so. Okay. I can now save and continue editing this page, or just save it. Okay, now I'm taken back to Manage Pages.